Sabre Corporation signs with Azure. Agent Run experiences Amazon S3 bucket misconfiguration, and Alibaba invests in SQream GPU database technology. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, Friday, June 1st. Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on LifterNews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb, flying solo as we take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Lifter Index. Travel technology powerhouse Sabre Corporation turns heads this week, signing a second cloud services deal in the month of May. The first deal was with AWS, an expansion of an existing partnership as part of a cloud-first initiative. This makes them an early adopter of a multi-cloud strategy, bucking the trend of investing heavily into a single provider. Keep an eye on the Lifter Index's adaptability metric for changes in transfer costs and other factors that affect multi-cloud solutions. The new deal with Microsoft supports that same initiative, placing them right on track to meet their cloud goals. Sabre plans to eliminate its mainframes by 2023 and function entirely on cloud infrastructure. But they are starting small by moving non-core services to the cloud first. DeFonso did state that Microsoft's recent support of Linux was part of his decision to go with Azure, as many of the company's enterprise applications run on that OS. Yet another data breach due to a misconfigured Amazon S3 bucket makes headlines this week. Agent Run, an insurance startup, made an error while migrating during an upgrade. Information was exposed without password protection during the migration, as the permissions for the bucket were accidentally flipped, likely due to human error. The leak was unfortunately largely composed of client-sensitive data, including big names like Cigna, Transamerica, and several smaller insurance providers. With security at top of mind, this is only the latest reminder that cybercrime and opportunistic hackers are on the rise. Check out the Lifter Index for the latest on security and compliance for our tracked cloud providers. The Alibaba Group led in a Series B financing round that raised $26.4 million for SQream, further signaling their support of the emerging database developer. Alibaba announced earlier this year that Alibaba Cloud customers would gain access to the GPU database tech starting in October after striking an agreement with the parent company. The Series B capital will be used to expand SQream's reach in China and elsewhere around the world, including funding for sales and marketing as well as delivery. And that's a wrap for this week's Roundup on LifterNews.com. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.